Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to add money on Revolut. Now, I'll give you a very easy way to add money. So first, go to your app. All you have to do is click Add Money here. Then, enter your credit card number. Next, enter expiration date and the CVV. Once you've done, enter your card details. Click on Continue. Once you click Continue, it might ask you to verify yourself. If you're done, you can add any amount of money that you want to your Revolut account. I hope this video helps you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.